Welcome to our exploration of wooden furniture ideas. Wood has long been cherished for its warmth, durability, and versatility in interior design. Today, we'll delve into various wooden furniture pieces that add timeless elegance and functionality to any space, from the living room to the bedroom and beyond. Let's begin with the heart of the living room, the coffee table. A wooden coffee table serves as both the focal point and a functional surface for gathering, entertaining, and displaying decor. Choose a classic oak or walnut table for a traditional look, or opt for a reclaimed wood design for rustic charm. Next, let's move to the dining area. A wooden dining table is a timeless addition to any home, offering a warm and inviting space for meals and gatherings. Consider a farmhouse-style table with a distressed finish for a cozy feel, or go for a sleek modern design with clean lines and minimalist appeal. Now, let's explore storage solutions with wooden bookshelves. Whether freestanding or built-in, wooden bookshelves add both style and functionality to any room. Arrange books, artwork, and decorative items to create a personalized display that reflects your personality and interests. Moving on to the bedroom, a wooden dresser is an essential piece of furniture for storing clothing, linens, and personal items. Choose a dresser with a timeless design and ample drawer space to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. Consider matching nightstands for a cohesive look. Create a productive workspace with a wooden desk. Whether for studying, working from home, or pursuing creative endeavors, a wooden desk provides a sturdy and stylish surface to get things done. Look for desks with built-in storage and cable management features for added convenience. In the dining room, a wooden sideboard adds both storage and sophistication. Use it to store servingware, linens, and tableware, or display decorative items and artwork to enhance the room's ambiance. Choose a sideboard with a rich wood finish and elegant detailing for a touch of luxury. Transform your bedroom into a cozy retreat with a wooden bed frame. Whether you prefer a classic sling bed, a platform bed with clean lines, or a rustic canopy bed, a wooden frame adds warmth and character to your sleeping space. Pair it with matching nightstands and dresser for a cohesive look. Entertain in style with a wooden bar cart, perfect for serving cocktails, snacks, and beverages. A wooden bar cart adds elegance and functionality to any living room or dining area. Stock it with your favorite spirits, glassware, and accessories for effortless entertaining. Finally, let's not forget about Entryway seating with a wooden bench. Provide a comfortable spot for putting on shoes and setting down bags with a wooden bench. Choose a design with built-in storage for shoes or baskets for added organization. And there you have it, timeless wooden furniture ideas to elevate every space in your home. Whether you prefer classic designs or modern styles, wood adds warmth, durability, and sophistication to any room. Thanks for watching and happy decorating.